So today's video is kind of a strange niche topic, but I'm going to share my thoughts on it, and I really do think it's important. Why scheduling videos ahead of time as a small creator is absolutely essential to growing your channel on YouTube. So why this applies specifically to smaller creators is that YouTube, in pretty much most cases, is not our full-time job. Me, I haven't made a cent from YouTube, $0 for this guy. I'm not monetized, I don't have the metrics to even apply. So for me, YouTube is just a hobby, something I do on the side, whatever. For that reason, I don't have dedicated time that I have consistently to work on YouTube. I have a rotating work schedule. I have school going on. There's lots of things in my life that take away time from being able to work on my YouTube channel. So for that reason, I oftentimes need to get ahead on videos, which is why scheduling is so important. One of the key pillars to growing your channel on YouTube is consistency. You need to upload and interact with your viewers on your channel on a very consistent basis. Otherwise, the YouTube algorithm might start sweeping you right under the rug, and that's not great if you're trying to grow your channel into something a little more than a hobby. So in order to maintain a regular upload schedule when you don't have regular time to work on a YouTube channel, you may need to get ahead on videos, which is where scheduling comes in. For me, I can work and dedicate time to school and other things at a very variable amount each week. So I have no idea when I'm gonna be able to work on YouTube videos. For example, this video was recorded on August 27th, 2020. It was edited on this date shown on screen and is scheduled to be uploaded on September 29th, over a month in advance of where I'm filming it. This is not new for me at all. In July of 2020, I had a ton going on, working a lot, almost 60 hours a week in some cases. So I got 9 weeks ahead on videos from June all the way till the end of August and the beginning of September. So I had lots of time where I didn't have to make YouTube videos because I knew I was going to be busy with other things. Especially when you are scheduling far ahead like I've done in the past, you need to make sure the content you're putting out is still going to be relevant. And that's why evergreen content is the best content you can schedule far in advance. Evergreen content is relevant no matter what time of year it is. If you're doing a tips and tutorial video like this video is always going to be relevant on the YouTube platform unless they take away scheduling for some reason. So that's why you need to plan out videos. If you're doing a review on a new product, or if you're talking about a current event, you probably will need to edit your schedule because you want to get those videos that are on current topics in as soon as possible into your video lineup so they can perform well off of the search and everything related to that current topic. But if you're doing more general videos talking about products that aren't new, like I did for a lot of the videos that I had scheduled, that's when it's okay to schedule them far in advance because you won't get hurt by uploading at a later date. The other thing to consider when you're scheduling videos is if you're gonna be around at all when the video releases. So my videos release Tuesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern. So normally on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern, right now I'm actually at home on those days, but once school starts back up again or anything like that, I will not be available at all when my videos release. So that's why it's important to think about what else you need to do when you release a video. Do you normally send out a tweet on your Twitter page, post something on Instagram, talk to people on your subreddit? I don't know. Whatever's good for you, you need to figure out a way to still announce the video on other platforms, even if you're not there. So for me personally, I really only use Twitter alongside my YouTube channel as one of my public social media accounts. So what I will do is I will schedule a tweet. So you can do this. I've done it for almost a year at this point using TweetDeck for desktop, but now scheduling tweets is also built in to Twitter for web. So you can do all of that stuff right from your desktop. So that way, when your video releases, it's not just the video popping up in a couple of sub boxes and hoping people watch it, but people on other platforms are also given the information that you released a new video. So that way traffic will pick up quicker and the YouTube algorithm might start serving your video to more people. So enough talking about why scheduling is so important. How do you do it? If you've never scheduled a video before, all you need to do is go into your YouTube Studio dashboard page. So if you pop into studio.youtube.com and then go to the videos tab on the left, what you'll find is a list of all your videos. And under the little arrow that pops up when you hover over the private or public or unlisted option, there's also an option to schedule. So just click that and then pick the date and time that you want to release your video at. So once you have that selected, you just save it and the video will be private until it releases publicly on that date. And the best part about this is when a video is private, you can still add end screens or cards. They just won't show up on the watch page until you release the video to the public. Now you can also schedule videos while you're uploading them, so you don't have to do it after. That's pretty much the same process. You just go to that page in the uploader and select the scheduling option. So those are all my thoughts on video scheduling and why it's such an important tool for small creators to maintain consistency on the platform, even if there's not a lot of consistency in their life. So it's such an important tool. I hope you will use it to your advantage in the future. And if you want to see all of my videos when they come out that were inevitably scheduled far in advance, you can subscribe to this channel and also follow me on Twitter at KyleGNew for updates and video notifications.